So here's that same problem, tan cubed square root of 3x squared minus 1, and we want to take a derivative of that, and we'll do it with the sort of the inside way to do derivatives, well, just the other way. Okay, so again, rewriting this and just thinking of it the right way, this is tangent of the square root of 3x squared minus 1, and that whole thing raised to the third power, and we are taking the derivative of that. So just to collect our brackets, well, this is the tangent of this stuff, and the tangent is cubed. You should see this as the same way. So the first thing we see is that we can apply the power rule. Right? We have this thing raised to the third. Well, we know how to take a derivative of a thing raised to the third. That's 3 times the thing of, right? Tangent of the square root of 3x squared minus 1. Now we have it to the second. But we still have to take a derivative of what's inside. So what's the what are we talking about there? Right? What are we cubing? We're cubing the tangent of the square root of 3x squared plus, minus 1. So we're still taking the derivative of that. Okay, well, let's keep going here. We should write this term down again. I'll write it down. 3 tangent squared square root of 3x squared minus 1 times the derivative of tangent of something. Well, the derivative of tangent of something is secant squared of that thing, x squared minus 1. Please be quiet. Times the derivative of what's inside, 3x squared minus 1. So we still have to take the derivative of that. Derivative of what's inside. The square root of 3x squared minus 1. We still have to find the derivative of that. Okay, well, continuing on here, copying these terms down, we have 3 tangent squared square root 3x squared minus 1 times secant squared square root 3x squared minus 1. You could probably put quotation marks down or ditto marks just to be clear. Well, we have something raised to the 1/2 power. The derivative of that is 1/2 of the something, which is, let's see, what are we running? Let's go with orange. So it's 1/2 of 3x squared minus 1 raised to the negative 1/2 power times the derivative of 3x squared minus 1. Because we still have to take the derivative of the inside. So what are we finally left with? We are left with 3 tangent squared radical 3x squared minus 1 times secant squared radical 3x squared minus 1 times 1/2. Now I'm just going to take this term and run everything over, right? Square root 3x squared minus 1. And what's the derivative of 3x squared? We didn't finish that one. That is times 6x. So we do have some cancellation here. This would, if I did this all right, this one's going to cancel with this and leaves 3. So we get 9 tangent squared root 3x squared minus 1 times secant squared root 3x minus 1 all over square root of 3x squared minus 1. And that's it. Did I forget any terms? Of course I did. I forgot to put this x over here.